guys, what's up? It's Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hairstyle tutorial for curly and natural hair, and I'm super excited because I feel like I haven't done a hairstyle tutorial in so long. Like typically I'll do like wash and goes or twist outs and things like that, but today's video is actually me doing a legit hairstyle, and I'm so excited because today's video is sponsored by Mielle Organics. You guys know I faithfully, religiously use Mielle Organics products very often. I actually launched my channel, this channel here, doing a wash and go using my holy grail Mielle Organics products. So I love them, and recently Mielle Organics has made its way into Rite Aid stores. There are like tons of them all throughout the country. So if you guys are looking to purchase your Mielle Organics products, check out your local Rite Aid and they will have all the goodies from Mielle Organics. So yeah, let's go ahead and just jump right into this tutorial. I am working on a week-old twist out. So what I used was the Mielle Organics Babassu Conditioning Shampoo. Love this stuff. It gets my hair feeling super clean, but my hair never feels dry. And then I also deep condition using the Mielle Organics Babassu Deep Conditioner. Also love this one here. Use it quite often, at least once a month. So I did that, the whole entire wash routine process, and then I styled my hair, of course off camera, using the Mielle Organics White Peony Leave-In Conditioner and the Avocado Moisturizing Milk. So my curls, you guys, are actually pretty defined considering it's a week-old twist out. It's not like super defined or anything, but I haven't seen my twist out be this defined in quite some time. So yeah, my hair right now is like this. There is no part. So I'm gonna go ahead and just section off my bang area. I'm gonna focus on just this much of my hair. The rest of my bangs on this side is put away with the rest of my hair. So I'll go ahead and clip this away for now. So now that I have this much of my hair left, I'm gonna take about like a third of the section of hair that's still left out and work with just that section. So we got that. And for now, I'm gonna take just this scrunchie, tie this top section just very loosely for a second. And I want to take a bit of my Mielle Organics Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk and apply that to the top section of hair. I'm just kind of smoothing it into the section of hair because honestly, I don't like to pull my hair into any type of ponytail without putting a moisturizer on my hair. Next, I'll be taking the Mielle Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. This gel is the truth. If y'all want like a really good gel, but that's not super duper heavy and like weighs your hair down, this is it. I just pumped a little bit of the gel in my hair, and now I will just smooth that gel. Now, I have the gel on, I have my moisturizer in. All I have to do now is take my Demon brush and just brush it and smooth it into a nice, sleek ponytail. So everything seems to be nice and smooth, no flyaways. Everything looks pretty sleek. So I will just take my scrunchie and actually tie it into a tight ponytail this time. Not super tight, but taut enough to where no hair starts to slide out and things like that. We have our half up ponytail and the rest of it will remain down. I am just going to let my hair be and pick my hair out because I definitely want as much volume as possible. I also want to pick out my bang and also the top ponytail, because that will help create even more volume and make this whole look kind of flow together. All right, there you have it. This is my final look. Super simple, super easy, but it is definitely an alternative to rocking your hair out and just, you know, out and about throughout the week. I love doing simple hairstyles like this one to kind of give my hair a break and just try something new. Don't forget to check out your local Rite Aid to get your hands on these Mielle Organics goodies. I'm trying to tell y'all, these are great, they are amazing, and they have definitely helped in my natural hair journey. So go on over to your local Rite Aid and give Mielle Organics products a try. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already. And as always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.